A factory has two machines, A and B. Past record shows that the machine A produces 60% of the items of output, and the machine B produces, this is A, B produces 40% of it. Further, 2% of the items produced by machine A, it happens to be defective, while 1% by B turns out to be defective. So we have the actual question. All the items are put in a place and then one is selected at random and it's found to be defective. What is the probability that it was produced by machine B? So what is the probability that machine B produced the defective one? Or actually it's not that. What is the probability that we got a product which is defective, it came from machine B? Now, which should go along x-axis? The first one, and the second one is along the y-axis. Okay, so let us do this. X and the y. Now, this is what this would be. First is machine B or A. So that basically output machine, or you can just call it as machine. So we have A and B. So A turns out to be that 0.6%, that is, sorry, 0.6 of the times. 60% of the time we have the one which is produced by machine A, and 0.4 of the times it is machine B. And this is the quality of this quality. So basically we need to draw a line somewhere along here, and here it is 2%. I'll just show this as 2% and say this is 1%. So defective turns out to be 0.02 or 2% of the time, while here defective turns out to be 1% of the time, and non-defective turns out to be 98% of the time. Here non-defective turns out to be 99% of the time. Again, I would like to have the entire table. We will avoid any silly mistakes. Is this correct? Right? If you are able to draw this diagram, you are pretty much there. So this is equal to probability of B into probability of it being defective by machine B divided by probability of B into probability that we get a defective from machine B plus probability that we choose a product from machine A, and probability of it being defective from machine A. And so our solution would be, oh yeah, before that, the formula. Probability of an event is nothing but number of favorable outcomes to that divided by total number of outcomes. Probability that A given B turns out to be number of events that are common between A and B divided by number of events in B. And so we have a solution. So yeah, okay, B is 0.4% of the time, and we have this to be 1%, right? It being defective, that is divided by 0.004 plus this is 0.6 probability that the product is from machine A is this particular value, and it being defective is 0.02. And now we have simple matter of calculation. Actually, I could have written it as 4 by 10 and 1 by 100. That is much convenient. If not, you guys will make mistake. I'll go with that presentation. So we have, this is 4 by, all of them is, this is 40%, right? 4 by 10, 1 by 100. So this is 1000. This is 10, and this is 100. So you can see all of these values will get cancelled. Again, it's left to you guys how you want to do this. So this would be 4 by, this is for 12, 16. Is that correct? 12, 16, correct. So 1/4 of the time. So 1/4 of the time, it would be from machine B.